it's Nay. Welcome back to my show. Now, today I'm going back to the blind school, not because I want to redo things that I've already done, just because I'm going to check on it because it's going to be like turned into a building development where it's like a semi-independent living. So basically, I just want to go back, see if you can still get in, and if I can, I want to do the whole of the ground floor and then try and check out the basement because I didn't cover those areas on my other visit. So that's why I'm going. So, yeah, without further ado, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. So, I've just come back to the building, and where I got in last time was closed up. And I'm not breaking and entering or anything like that. I'm only entering through obviously open doors or whatever, so there's no way that I'm breaking a window or anything like that. But I think I can see one open over there, already smashed. So yeah, may as well just try this door just for curiosity's sake. No. I don't think there is a window actually. It's not broken. I'm just going to walk around and see what I can find. That's what I thought was open, but it's not. It's just a window. Oh, I just got a spider web in my mouth. Oh, there's no way I'm going in there anyway. All the what the fuck? I seriously just got a spider web in my mouth. But I don't know if you can see in there, but it's flooded completely. So I'm not going in there. That's disgusting. So yeah, I'm not going in the basement. That's off the list. I need to be careful around the front because there's all houses there. So I'm going to duck a bit and then see if there's anywhere open. They must be starting to do the work development because there's some stuff there. And I don't know whether it's new. It looks it. And the only way I could check is by running up that and down the side, but all those houses are going to see. But I think I'm just going to have to do it. Or go down there, yeah. since the last time I came, they've secured it properly because like all these doors were open, so they must be actually like starting to plan to develop it or whatever, like start to actually do it or whatever. That's more of the basement, like flooded. Completely flooded. Yeah, so back in like 1940s anyway, just a little bit of history about the place, like Hitler like bombed it. Oh, nice jacket. That's a picture, that's weird. But yeah, Hitler bombed it, and then like some nurses, like 3 nurses, young nurses died, so it has got history and all that. So yeah. I think this must have been like the boiler room area or something, maybe. Don't know. Yeah, looks it. So yeah, I think they've started building now. Oh, I can't get past that, but I don't think any of them are going to be open, to be honest, so there won't be much point. But yeah. It's good really that they've secured it anyway, because like at the end of the day it's a nice building and everything, so it needs to be. Yeah, it's locked. So yeah, I guess that's it for the blind school. It's been secured and it's probably going to be like, I don't know, built and worked on and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. That was probably the last time, whatever.